Hi guys, we recently experienced a no moon which was quite intense for a lot of them emotionally on an emotional level, and now new moon has started and still it is in the process of becoming that full moon. So behalf of that we will be seeing a tarot spread. What does new moon is conveying us via tarot? Let's see. So we will see a spread, specific spread. So our first card will be, what did this new moon bring to you, or it is in the process of bringing to you? A second card will be, what was your energy, let's say, on this no moon, new moon, whatsoever you consider. Currently, also, it will help you, like in what energy it is. What you need to open towards yourself. Maybe you yourself, you're not trying to open up, you're ignoring that thing about yourself. So, what you need to open? Something that you want to manifest for yourself. Let's see, or you should manifest. And also, how can you best focus on your intentions? The last card. So let's start. Our first card is, what did this new moon bring, or it is bringing to you? Wow, beautiful. Do claim this energy, guys. Do claim this. It's a wish fulfillment card. Nine of Cups. It is bringing some sort of wish fulfillment, and for some of you, it has happened. So, if you are one of them who have experienced it, do let me know in the comment. And also, I'll tell you that this is a general reading. So, obviously, not everyone can resonate with it, but for other people, you are absolutely manifesting it. For some of you, you have already manifested it. Beautiful energy, Nine of Cups. Very beautiful energy. Wow. But with this card, another thing I would like to say, that doesn't mean that now you should stop working on whatsoever you wish to have, also. Keep working on it. Okay. Next card will be, let's see, what was your energy? Okay. Eight of Cups. Okay. So this is a basically good energy. I would say that you finally plan to move away from those emotions, situations, energies, or even people who are no more serving you in a good way, or those memories. And I would say this is really a very good energy, and hence Nine of Cups. Wow, the first card, Nine of Cups, now Eight of Cups. Beautiful. And for some of them, you are still in this energy, and that's a great thing. So do work on it, guys. Only then you will move forward, only then you will, rest of you will come in the Nine of Cups energy. This is what I would say. Let's see what you need to open up towards yourself. Okay, the Hermit. So you need to go within yourself. There you may be ignoring your emotions, I guess. You are ignoring your inner voice, or even what your mind is saying. You are ignoring. You basically need to stay in solitude, isolate yourself, and go within yourself to understand what actually you need to open up towards you, like something that you are ignoring. For that, you need to tap into yourself only, and only then it will help you. And as you can see this moon, so yes, you can do that, and by full moon it will help you a lot. I am seeing over here with the picture over here. But as you can see the picture, isolate yourself, stay in solitude, it will help you. Or you can light a diya or a candle, and you can, focus, meditate, it will help you a lot. So something that you want to manifest for this card is justice. Oh wow. So see, this is basically a divine justice. So whatever you wish to manifest, please go move ahead, guys. And with this card, I would like to say that, if why, see, suddenly I am channelizing this. If you are someone that you are going through some sort of injustice, then this is a message for you, that you should manifest justice for yourself. Yes, in each and every area of life, or a specific or any area of life, you need to manifest justice. Okay, if there you are facing a lot of blockages, struggles, challenges, and this, but now is the time for you, that now you have to manifest justice in your life. Also, whatever you wish to manifest for others, I would say, whatever you wish to manifest, yes, you can do ahead. it will be all decided by divine, if like what sort of justice should be done with your manifestation. This is another message for some of them, but for many of them, I feel if you are going through a tough phase of life, now you need to manifest justice in your life. And how can you focus on your intentions for that? This card is, just a minute. Okay, Queen of Pentacles. Okay, very beautiful card. So, guys, you need to stay very grounded. The very first message that I'm getting over here, you need to stay very grounded, and with that, you have to be practical enough. Okay, your whatever your wishes are, whatever your plans are, there should be, practical steps should be taken. This is what I would say. With this, you also need to be being practical. You have to be nurturing at the same time. Practically, like being practical doesn't mean that you will just ignore your emotions, you will ignore what your mental state of mind is and all, you will ignore your physical health. No, you need to be very nurturing, caring. That is why I said you need to be very grounded. This is why I said. And I would say that if possible, make your own kingdom. Now, just because this is Queen of Pentacles doesn't mean this is just for females also. Even though you are a male, this card is for you, because each and everyone have both of these energies within us. And yes, one more message I am channeling over here is that even if you are a female or a male, please work on your feminine energies. Basically, balance your both masculine and feminine energies. This is what I would say, because both the energies are very important to be balanced, and we need both the energies in life. Feminine energies will help you, to stay grounded, to stay emotionally connected, to stay caring, nurturing, it will also help you to make you listen to your inner being, inner voice. It will also help you to stay very creative, which is very much necessary. This is how you can focus on your intentions, focus more and more on your intentions. Also start working on yourself. This is what I would say over here. I don't know, some of you who is watching this video, you may be Capricorn or so. And I know, like Capricorn, they are very much, they are already intelligent, they are very much analytical. So this is very easy, but just start working on yourself also, it will help you a lot. So guys, this was the reading behalf of the new moon. This was a new moon spread, tarot spread. So if you have understood the reading, if you have liked the reading, please put a like, comment, share, subscribe. This is what I would say. And do comment whatever I asked you. Basically, with respect to the first card, is any of your wish got manifested or so? And anything that you feel, you can comment. Like even if you feel that it's you need to give a feedback, you can. It will help me to improve me more. Other than that, if you have liked the reading, understood, then please, yes, put a like. Come, do let me know about it, and subscribe to my channel. Share it, whoever needs it. But I'll tell you one thing: this was just a general reading. Your personal reading may differ from this. Okay, thank you.